Hi, Fernando. This is my cousin.
Hi.
Ah, okay. We're continuing on without Ronnie because I'm not in his house anymore. So let's see. Chris, there you are. Wait, you could be the voice of Torio. You have to read it. Okay, then I will read it. Chris, there you are. We might still be able to make it. Now enjoy this cut. I hope it stays this way when casual visits. But I wonder, after the excitement of Universal, will he still enjoy coming home to this little town? Could talk, but just let them enjoy this. Wait, that's pretty cute. We're still a little kid. I don't know what age we are.
Why is that thing holding my mom's hand?
Because
It's her mom.
the are we late? So does everyone have a? Of course, I'm the failure. Oh, Chris. Oh, Chris. We thought you weren't coming today. We're doing group project this month. Uh, so walk around and find a partner, okay?
Do we have to press that? Can I press
Okay,
it?
let's see.
Can I press it?
Press it. Chris, burst source. Tim already have partner.
Every time
A
when you
partner is an egg? How dare you? Partner? I hardly know her. Ha ha ha. What you think of that one? Funny, right? No? Well, I got news for you, pal. How we got partners. Scram.
every time
No. But you can talk.
Okay.
Yo, Chris, show up earlier next time. I didn't have a partner with Zoe. Now he keeps turning to me and saying, "Howdy, partner," like a cowboy. Let me talk to. How about you? Ah, Chris. Later again. I see. Oh, you need a partner? Sorry, I'm already partners with the second smartest student. Though, wait, Chris. Now if I think about it, your unique skill set might help a lot in this assignment. Nah, I actually want to get an A. How about you? Hey, Chris. What's up? Did you lose your pencil again? Here, do you want the candy cane or the one with the lights on it? Huh? You want to be partners? Sorry, barely already asked me, but I could ask Mrs. Alphys if we could make a group of three. I'll ask him for sure. Not yet. Yeah, I'm sure there's someone else you could ask. Click, click, tap, tap. Taken. Should we ask this snake guy?
Yeah.
Chris, you know Jockey Tank and Candy are always partners. We're the ultimate acrobatic duo ever since kid. It was hula hoop day. They ran out of hula hoops for us. Don't say what I'm saying, please. Oh my god! Actually,
Can I press it?
so instead, that's what we're just doing. Stop! Okay, now I have to do this. We seem different, but me and Kelly have a thought in common. We both like reading and literature or draw. Don't press this, okay? Now, blah, 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 blah. Oops, sorry. Yes. Okay, Miss Alphys, is it okay if we have a group of three? Hey, what? No, I do not approve of this. Boy, what? But Chris doesn't have a. No, and what were you saying? She would just say we're fine being alone. Actually, I just wanted to go. Noah, can you please speak up? Who is this kid? Hi,
Hi.
hi, Susie.
Hi.
Am I late? Oh no, you're fine. We were just choosing partners for the next group. Susie, you're with Chris. Great. Now that everyone's here, I'll write the assignment. Awkward. Uh, has anyone seen the chalk? This is the third time it's gone missing, and you you all know I can't start class without some. How about this? No one speaks up. Everyone gets in trouble. They don't care. Anyone? Please? Hey, there might be a box in the supply closet. Miss Office, why don't Susie and I? Good idea, Noel. Susie, since you came in last. Oh, just let me. Why don't you get it for me? Whatever. Is she a bully? No, she. Chris, can you go with her and make sure she actually gets it and stays out of trouble? Thanks, Chris. See you later. What if you talk to everyone again? Chris, if I had arms, I would take off this cool hat in remembrance of you.
You talking to
Tap, tap,
everyone
tap.
again?
Don't die. He said don't die. But you. Don't worry, Chris. I've always thought Susie can't be so bad, you know? I'm sure everything would turn out fine. How about you? Chris, what's the holdup? Go out there. Not yet. And he cut talk to everybody. Chris, didn't I say being late is a bad idea? But should it almost as if you should have, as they said. Listen. How about you, Tim? Sus vermin said egg never hatch. Yo, Chris, I'm sorry. If I had just waited to be your partner, you wouldn't be with hers. She's gonna be pound you to pieces, Chris, and then kick the butts of all those little pieces. How about you? You cowboy? Chris, don't listen to him. It's not so bad. You'll probably survive Susie beating you up. You're just gonna fail when she doesn't do any of your project. Like always say, Chris, you you snooze, you lose. That's not very reassuring, huh? Okay, let's
It's
go.
8. Look, you see? It's 8. It's
Um,
8.
she just ate the chalk. That's disgusting. You probably get poisoned. Chris, didn't see you there. Hey, you didn't say anything just now, did you? Hmm. You can't even say? Chris. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What happened?
She good. Kiss me? That's too close for get out of my way. Hey, let me tell you a
Mm,
secret. Ow, that hurt. I'm brain damage now. Quiet people annoy me. Annoy me. That's cool music. You think just 'cause you don't say anything, I can't tell exactly what you're thinking? It's over. I caught Susie eating all the time. This was her last chance. Now she will finally be exposed. I didn't say anything of that. I thought, why are you eating chalk? Haha, come on, Chris. Don't act shocked. You know it's true. Everyone's waiting for it. Everyone wants it. So, congrats, Chris. You got me. I'm done for. Just let me say one little thing. Seems like a waste to get explored just for us. I did read that. So, Chris, if I know you're gonna pull the trigger, why don't I just expel for some real carnage? Chris, how do you feel about losing your face? Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. No! My face will be gone. I would die. And the story would not continue. There. Okay, good. Chris, you've got a good mother. It'd be a shame if make her bury her own child. Oh. Alright, let's get this over. Bowsy, back to class. We'll get some more chalk. Bowsy, okay, just Bowsy, we'll get more chalk. Bowsy, back to class. And then Chris, you do what project? How does it sound? Don't bother answering. Wait, wait, they're answering. If you haven't gotten it by now, your choices don't matter. Well, like from the start. Part 1. You should go see it. Let's go. Ugly. I'm not gonna say swear words. Let's see. Locker is locked. The locker's lock is locked.
What?
Stop. The locker is locked. The locker is locked. Locker is locked. Okay. But then, are you ready for the study home man sounds? At this time, all the children are ready. Oh my god. Chris, what realized the baby classroom was better to fit you. Hey, actually, I should maybe I'll find a better partner. Nah, actually, let's not. You drink from the water fountain. Um, that's that's true in my school. Okay, let's go. Good. Can you walk any slower or what? Now I get it. I used to walking around with someone holding your hand. Hey! Come on, ugly. I'm not saying that's swear word. It's a closet. Too bad. We were just getting. We were just starting to have fun. Uh oh. Uh oh.
What
We
happened?
should ditch the place. We should ditch the place. This is bad. Hey, Chris, is it me or is it really dark in there? What the hold up, Chris? Are you going in or what? I'm not going in. Fine. If you're a wimp, if you're gonna be a wimp, then we'll both go in at the same time. See? Why are you so scared? There's nothing in here but old paper. Let's try finding a slide. Go, 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 go. That's weird. I can't find the switch. Guess I put it in.
Don't go down
Kind of big. I'm gonna skip her dialogue. You guys can read it.
What is it saying?
Uh oh. That's bad. What? What? Hey, this isn't funny. Let us out. Let us. Uh oh. Oh. Oops, I skipped that. No! I'm gonna fall on my head. Well, she's gonna try to fall on her back.
What?
Uh oh. My. Oh my god. Dark world. We're in a dark world. What is this? Bye, guys.